Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a review on the Gya Labs Essential Oils. They seem to be a popular one on Amazon, and I wanted to review their website to see if they're actually legit. So let's go to their website. So this is their web page, and like I said, they have tons. They're really popular on Amazon. So when you search essential oils, they pop up in multiple listings, and so a lot of people must be purchasing them. So I'm just going to do an audit on their website and see what they have going on. They look like a legit brand just from the branding, and their bottles look very nice and professional. They have single essential oils, blends, carrier oils, some skincare. Oh, blue tansy face oil. I love blue tansy in my skincare. So that's already catching my eye. Hydrosols and roll-ons. So this looks like just from the first 5 seconds, a legit essential oil company. Let's see if they have all the things we're looking for. So let's go to a listing of a single essential oil. Let's go to rosemary. So the things I'm looking for are the Latin name, which actually is just right on the front of the bottle. That's awesome. Sometimes it's on the back of the bottle. Then you can't see it on the listings here, but it is Rosmarinus officinalis. And rosemary essential oils derived from the Salvia rosmarinus, which is an evergreen shrub. So lots of information already. So that's really good. That's a good sign. EAN number. That looks promising. Is that like a batch number to check testing? Hopefully it is. So it's $9.99. That's ballpark price for a 10 ml bottle. That's good. So far, no red flags. Juices can be used in diffusers. Humidifiers were added to bath to promote relaxation. Diluted, that should say. Its pleasant aroma is made of the manufacturer of perfumes. Use home and cleaning products. Awesome. Benefits. Flavoring agent. Use a natural insect repellent. So some uses, main constituents, that's really awesome too. That's rare. That's just an added, I appreciate it as an aromatherapist, but also a lot of brands don't even do that. So that's cool that they share the constituents. I don't know if they're just putting it on there, if it's an actual from their essential oil. I'll have to see testing to confirm. And then free shipping worldwide. That's amazing. I love free shipping so much. So overview, I'm kind of looking for safety though, and I'm not really seeing safety information there. So overview. So main benefits. Yeah, right. Conditioner. Add a drop or $2 conditioner. Cool. I like this. I love education and teaching you how to use the essential oils. Blends well with peppermint. Blends well with, where did we go here? There we go. Rosemary blends with the frankincense, ylang ylang thyme. That's really cool. I love that little added info bit. Rosemary oil extracted. So steam distilled. Awesome. So the only thing I'm not seeing is some safety information in their website. It's like glitching, but maybe a frequently asked questions. It's good for your face. Safe for dogs. So there is some safety info covered here in the FAQ section. So how to use diffuser, humidifier, mixing with the carrier oil is the best way to carry it. So if it's to your skin, good for properties. Where can you buy it? It's good for your face. Safe for dogs. Safe and non-toxic for dogs. I'm going to double check that, but rosemary, when ingested, may be harmful for cats. Diffuse, it may be beneficial. A lot of pet essential oil information is controversial, and like a lot of people have different opinions. There are lists of very specific essential oils that you cannot use with pets, and I believe rosemary is generally regarded as safe. And rosemary and pets ingest a large quantity of essential oil. That's never okay. Really, ingestion should never be done, and honestly, topical use for essential oils is rare. I don't do that. Sometimes I'll have like balm or something for Frankie, our dog. We really don't use essential oils on her. It's more of an aromatic type of thing when we do use essential oils with her. What other face diffuser birds? So the only thing I do not see is safety, or I'm sorry, like testing information. So I'm going to copy this. We might be able to look that up somewhere in testing and quality. So let's see. Knowledge bank. I like that. I love when brands educate because it's really important with essential oils to first know just the baseline safety information, but also to teach us how to use essential oils. About us, I'm just looking for quality and testing here. I don't really see it yet, which is like, I need to see that. And I would be sad if they didn't have that because everything else looks promising. Is that the page I'm on? Dang it. I'm going to keep digging. Let's see this knowledge bank. This is cool. Shows you tons of different uses for essential oils. 20 essential oils for a sore throat, excuse me. Love this blog section. I wonder if I can just search. Can I search for testing? A regular FAQ page. So are really natural. Yes, we use the highest quality, almost all of which are plant-based. Almost all. Where do you source? Local farms and certified producers around the globe. I'd like to see like a map, or at least on some essential oil pages, they will share each essential oil and where exactly it's from, which I do like. I'm just seeing a lack of transparency with quality and testing here. So that's my only red flag. Does your natural, how can I use diffusion, topical? There are 3 main ways to use the diffusion: topical, application, and household. So they don't talk about ingestion. What is the shelf life? That's pretty accurate. How do you store essential oils? Sensitive to, that's good. And then they don't test on animals. Oh, this is so frustrating. I really wanted to love this brand, but without testing, there are so many good brands that do share their test results, and that's just important to me personally. I wouldn't say this is a bad brand to stay away from. It's just lacking some things that I require to use a brand. So I hope that's helpful. I'll keep looking, and so delivery and shipping privacy terms, I'm just not seeing anywhere, which I did see that they had this batch number. So let's just go back again. So the EAN number, maybe that's just like their SKU number or something. That looked promising. If I find anything else though, I will dig a little bit deeper into different ways. Maybe they have a Facebook page or somewhere else that they share testing. As for right now, that's just where I stand with them. Do you use this brand? Let me know in the comments, and let me know which brand you want me to review next. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.